Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with another trigger scenario based questions. So let's discuss our scenario first. Write an Apex trigger to send an email to the opportunity owner when the stage name is closed on. So without wasting more time, so let's start our coding. This is my developer console. I have created two files. One is for trigger name opportunity trigger, another is for helper name opportunity helper. So here I have write after update event. Why this is after update? Because I want to send email after the record save into the database. So that's why I have write after update event. Now I have write the logic for condition if trigger dot is after and trigger dot is update, and make sure what logic I have write that will be always execute for after update event. And now write the helper class dot method name where I will be write the logic send email to owner and pass trigger dot new with trigger dot old map and trigger dot new which contain new version of the subject record, and trigger dot old map basically old version of record which contain value as a key and pair. So now write public static void method name with new version of a subject record for list of opportunity OPP list with map of ID comma opportunity old map. Now write always try catch block where catch always contain the error, and now here loop through the opportunity list and now write opportunity of old OPP, means here I want to get the old opportunity. So from old map, that's why I have write old map dot get OPP dot ID. So OPP list contain new version of the A subject record and old OPP contain the old opportunity. Now I want to write the logic for if OPP dot stage name equal to closed on, and also check if OPP dot stage name not equal to old OPP dot stage name, means my stage name is always changed, and always write old OPP dot stage name not equal to closed on, means my old record does not contain closed on. So then I will be sent to email. For send email I will be define here list of messaging dot single email message email equal to new list of messaging dot single email message, and now write here messaging dot single email message sg equal to new dot single email message, and msg dot set target object id opp dot owner id, send email to the opportunity owner, and now msg dot set as activity false. Now msg dot set subject opportunity status and msg dot set plain text body, where I will be write the subject like opportunity has been changed to my opp.StageName, and now I will be add into the email.add msg. Now outside the loop I will be check if not email.eachempty, then I will be send email messaging dot send email with the email, and now here also save once. So this is my code. Now time to testing. So now it's time to testing. Now my stage name is prospecting. Now I want to change from prospecting to closed on and save it. And now I will be check my email. Got my mail like opportunity status has been changed into closed on, and this is my subject opportunity status. So my code is working fine. If you found my video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe my video. I will back with more scenario based questions.